Hello everyone, I am Kausar and welcome to our YouTube channel Scholar Adda। आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें, इस वीडियो का पीडीएफ लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। अगर आपको हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है तो उसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ द फीचर्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। Indian Constitution is unique in its content and spirit, and it borrowed from almost every constitution of the world. हमारे भारत का संविधान के बहुत सारे यूनिक कंटेंट है। हमारे भारत के संविधान में बहुत सारे यूनिक कंटेंट है और ये जो कंटेंट है वो वर्ल्ड के दूसरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से बोरो किए गए। India has a several salient features that distinguish it from the constitution of other countries. What are the salient features? Lengthiest written constitution, blend of rigidity and flexibility, parliamentary form of government, a federation with a strong centralizing tendency, an independent judiciary, single citizenship, adult suffrage. These all are salient features of the constitution. Let us discuss one by one. Number 1, lengthiest written constitution. The constitution are classified into written form and unwritten form. Written form example America and unwritten form example Britain. The Constitution of India is lengthiest of all written constitution of the world. हमारे इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लेंथिएस्ट रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है पूरे वर्ल्ड के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस में. It originally had 395 articles, 8 schedules and 12 parts. Presently it has 470 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. No other constitution in the world has so many articles and schedule. Number 2, blend of flexibility and rigidity. The constitution classified into rigid and flexible. Rigid constitution requires special procedure for amendment and flexible that can be amended in the same manner as the ordinary laws are made. rigid constitution के example है अमेरिका and flexible constitution का example है British. The Constitution of India is neither rigid nor flexible. The Constitution of India is rigid in parts of democracy, republic and secular. Some of its provisions can be amended in a difficult way while others can be amended very easily. In some cases, the Union Parliament can amend some part of Constitution by passing a simple law. Hence, it is synthesis of both the rigidity and flexibility. So, हमारे भारत के संविधान rigid भी है, flexible भी है. Some cases में rigid है, some cases में flexible है. Number 3, parliamentary form of government. There are two forms of government, parliamentary and presidential. The Indian Constitution establishes a parliamentary form of government, both at the center and the state. The parliamentary system is based on the principle of coordination and cooperation between the legislative and executive organs. The organs of the government are three. There are three organs of the government. Number 1, legislative, executive and judiciary. Legislative, act of making the laws. Executive, act of making the decisions and plans. And judiciary, implement the laws. The essence of the parliamentary government is responsible to the legislature. The president is the constitutional head of the state, but the real executive power is vested in the council of ministers, whose head is the prime minister. The parliamentary form of government is also known as Westminster model of government, responsible government and cabinet government. In the parliamentary form of government, prime minister play a very significant and crucial role. So the political scientists like to call the prime ministerial government. So the political scientists like to call prime ministerial government. Number 4, a federation with a strong centralizing tendency. Constitution of India established a federal system of government, that is division of power between the state and center. It contains usual features of federation like two government, division of powers, written constitution, supremacy of constitution, rigidity of constitution, independent judiciary and bicameralism, etc. But being a federal constitution, it requires a unitary character during the time of emergency. During the proclamation of emergency, the normal distribution of powers between the center and the state undergo vital change. The Union Parliament is empowered to legislate on any subject mentioned in the state list. The financial arrangement between the center and state can also be altered by union government. Hence, the Constitution has been variously described as federal in form and unitary in spirit. Fifth, an independent judiciary. An independent and impartial judiciary with power of judicial review has been established under the Constitution of India. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंडिपेंडेंट एंड इम्पार्शियल जुडिशरी को इस्टेब्लिश किया. हमारी जुडिशरी इंडिपेंडेंट एंड इम्पार्शियल जुडिशरी है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्टैंड टॉप ऑफ द इंटीग्रेटेड जुडिशियल सिस्टम ऑफ कंट्री. Below the Supreme Court, there are high courts. Under the high courts, there are district courts and other lower courts. The Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal, and this court enforces both the central law and state law. It is the custodian right of citizens. Besides, in a federal constitution, it plays another significant role of determining the limits of power of the center and the state. Number 6. Single citizenship. The American Constitution provides for dual citizenship. That is, the person is not only the citizen of USA, but also a citizen of particular state to which he belongs. But in India, there is only one citizenship, that is the citizen of India. That is the citizen of India. No state citizenship like citizen of Assam, citizen of Delhi. Every Indian is citizen of India and enjoy the same rights of citizenship no matter in what state he resides. Last one is adult suffrage, also called as universal adult franchise. The old system of communal electorates has been abolished and the uniform adult suffrage system has been adopted. The universal adult franchise adopt on the basis of election of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. Under the Indian Constitution, every man and woman above 18 years of age has been given the right to elect representative for the legislature without any discrimination of caste, race, sex, religion, literacy, wealth, so on. The universal adult franchise make democracy broad-based and it enhances the self-respect and prestige of common people, and it upholds the principle of equality, and it enables the minority to protect their interests and open up new hopes for weaker sections and open new hopes for weaker sections. These are the salient features of the Constitution. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Scholar Adda and never miss any updates.